Up next, a home that is brand new construction in an absolutely perfect location with top-of-the-line everything. That's why Debbie Steffen's listing on River Run Place is our home of the month. Located at the end of a quiet court, this brand new all-stone bungalow was built by Sordikin Custom Homes. With over 6,000 square feet of living space, Realtor Debbie Steffen says there's a long list of features that make this home so spectacular.
Oh my goodness, what makes it so spectacular is dealing with Sordikin Custom Homes, the builder of this, who's built for decades now, custom quality homes. And then you have getting into the engineering technology of the window systems and the door systems. It's really solid. They're built with steel.
That solidity is engineered into the foundation. Unlike standard builds, this home utilizes a slow pour process and extra steel rebar, ensuring structural longevity.
Everything from the ground up is high-end, super quality.
The engineering continues with the European steel windows and door systems.
So these windows, first of all, are all steel windows. You got about a 6-inch width here. So you can open it this way and fully open it. You can see how big and beautiful these windows are. And I have never seen these in any other custom. And I've sold a lot of homes in my day. We're working with builders, but nobody has windows like this in their homes. And then if you go like this, you can tilt it down. You get lovely fresh air coming in, and it's completely secure. Nobody is coming into this house.
And for functionality, it's the layout defined by its versatility. The kitchen is the central hub with open sight lines across the entire living space, and then out to this massive covered porch with its own gas line and fan system. Debbie, the lower level of this home is so bright. It doesn't feel like you are on the lower level. Can you show us?
Absolutely. Let's take a look.
Debbie, this lower level is massive. It's finished, but also a bit of a clean slate.
Yes, it is finished, and it is main floor living, Kyle. This is not considered a basement. We have full walkout access here of the sliders, and also there's a door going upstairs through the garage. So it makes a lovely in-law suite, multi-generational lifestyle here. It really lends itself nicely with the kitchen and the bedrooms and the bathrooms down here. It's a perfect setup.
The final pillar for the home of the month is location. As you know, this is my favorite place in Waterloo Region, but why would you say this location is so great?
Oh, this location is so great because of the quiet and the peacefulness.
In the village of Conestogo, this home is a short morning walk to locally owned cafes, restaurants, and the greatest bakery around. Also just minutes to the Grand River and the Conestogo Golf Course. Everything you need is just outside your door.
To be in this beautiful, peaceful area, so beautiful and quiet and secluded, and you're out in the country, and then minutes to Waterloo. Doesn't get better than that, yeah. That bakery really is a huge bonus. If you'd like to check out River Run Place for yourself, you can contact Debbie. Her information is right there on your screen.